Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about ADA. Now, what happened today? As you can see, it's a red day. Well, to be honest, between you and me, we were expecting this. In my previous video, which is this one, yes, I was talking about this, and I said that most likely we're going down. Yes, so basically, what happened in my last video was that we went down here, and now we're going up. Yes, we found resistance at this level, and we went down. Yes, and as I said, most likely the next low is going to be lower than the previous one, which is this one. Yes, so as you can see, we had our lower low. This is the lowest low we had for a long time, basically. So this is great, because as I said even before, is in order to make a higher high, we need a lower low. Now, why did this happen? It happened because at the beginning we need to understand why we're here. And we're here because of Bitcoin. What happened to Bitcoin? Yes, as you can see, Bitcoin went down to the line. Yes, we were expecting this as well. Now, Bitcoin could actually go lower. Yes, it could definitely go lower because, as you can see, this is where support sits, and we could actually go here. So we could go basically down to 32,000 on Bitcoin. Yes, so we need to be a little bit careful because we could actually go lower than this, and if we go lower than this on Bitcoin, then we're going to go lower than this on the altcoins as well. So at the moment, should you buy? Should you sell? What should you do? Well, if you're a trader, if you're a good trader, then you should definitely buy. That's my personal opinion. Why is that? Because as you can see, we're starting to we had our bottom here. We touched this level a few times in the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, for let's say 5 times we've been touching the same level over and over again. So we know that this is the first level of support, and what is going to happen is that we're going up. Usually we go up till, oh sorry, that line is actually not accurate. So we found resistance here, as you can see. It didn't even give me time to draw the line. So why is that? Because we found resistance on the previous low, which is this one. Yes. So as you can see, we have support level here. Let me make it a little bit nicer. So we have support level here. We have resistance level here. Here we go. And now we're going back down. Yes, and make some sort of double bottom, or anyway some sort of pattern. Yes, so at the moment what is happening is that we are trying to find the bottom. This is what is happening. As you can see in the 1 hour time frame, let's actually go to the 4 hour time frame. In the 4 hour time frame, we can see two things. The first one is that this is the first green candle that we had in a while. And what usually happens with the green candles in the 4 hour time frame, or anyway after such an aggressive drop, is that we have our green candle, which, and mark my words, yes, because this is going to be quite soon. Yes, what is happening to this green candle is that maybe this one is going to be green or whatever, but the next one is going to be like it's going to open here, yeah, at this level, and then it will go all the way down, and the body is going to be quite small. Yes, so the next candle most likely is going to be red because we need to go back down. Yes, at the moment we're, as you can see, pushing against the resistance. Yes, we touched the resistance level, which was up here, and now we're going down. So most likely we're going to reverse and make another low. Yes, so at the moment we're going to have another low. It's well, I don't know what time it's there, but here in the United Kingdom it's basically 10 to 4. Yes, so the situation is moving quite fast. And, in my opinion, this is the last low, yes. So in the bigger picture, most likely this is the last low that we're going to have. In the bigger picture, this is definitely the last low. Why is that? Because as you can see in the 4 hour time frame, we basically reached on the stock RSI basically the bottom. Yes, we're starting to reverse. In the 1 hour time frame, we're going up. So this high could actually go a little bit higher, yes, because if the 1 hour time frame is getting the oversold in the overbought area, and we're going to distribute, yes, the price is going to pump a little bit more, maybe till 8.5, who knows. Yes, but anyway, at the moment, even the RSI is telling me that we're quite low. Yes, we're quite low, and as you can see here, we found resistance. Yes, so I think we're going to see the price decreasing soon. We're going to definitely have another low here. Yes, but this is of course in like short term. Yeah, so that's why I was saying that if you're a good trader, you can actually make some good money. Why is that? Because we're going down, up, down, and who knows, maybe up again and then down. Every time we reach the bottom or the top of the market, yes, in my opinion, we have good farming opportunities because on the top, the stock distribute is doing, is going through the distribution phase, which is basically, you know is this. Look how many farming opportunities you have here. If you are a good trader, yes, you could easily sell here, buy here, sell here, and all of this, so this is all good farming opportunities, and the same happens at the bottom. At the bottom, same happens before, because at the bottom the stock goes down and then up again, down then up again. Of course, you're not supposed to trade against the market, which means that if the primary trend is a bearish trend, you're not supposed to trade it, but sometimes you do, and well, hopefully you don't end up regretting it. Yes. If I'm going the weekly, really quick. Well, in the weekly, not much changed, as you can see. We can definitely say that we're touching the bottom now. We had three red candles in a row, as you can see. Look, so at some point we need in the weekly we need a green week. Yes, at some point, and I think if we're going to have that green week, then we're good to go. Yes, we're really good to go. Yeah. So we're not going lower than this, definitely not. And even in the daily, we can tell that look, the stock RSI is getting there. So as I said, what I said before, I'm going to say it again. Yes, this is the beginning of something, and I know the situation with Russia is not the best. The world is a little bit scared now, but I don't know. I got a good feeling about this. So be careful if you want to buy now. Yeah, just be careful because um, between this low and this high is like 7%. Yeah, so you could actually lose 7% if the market is going back down. So if you want to just trade, just wait a little bit more. Just let it create a sort of pattern which is going to help you understand the situation. Yes. So even if we go a little bit higher, it's at some point we're going back down. Yes, we're going back down, definitely going back down. So let me explain to you what usually happens. By experience, what happens is that uh, even if I go like in the 30 minutes chart, yes, as you can see, we're definitely overbought. Yes, what does that mean? That means that we're going to have a correction in price. Yeah, so we're going down, as I said. Yes, in the 1 hour, I think we're going to stop our run soon. Yes, so we're going to reverse in the 1 hour really soon. So um, usually what happens is that we find we're going to have another low. Yes, even if we go a little bit higher, it doesn't really matter. Yes, we're going to find resistance here or even here where we're now. Anyway, we have resistance here, so we're not going above this area. Yes, so let me actually draw some sort of shape for you, not give you an area. So above this area, here we go, nice and clean. Here we go. So we have resistance here. This is our resistance level. We're not going above this yet. So what is going to happen is that we're going to reverse. Yes, and if we reverse, so we went up here, we're going to reverse, and most likely we're going to find support on this level, so 0.78 or even below that. So it could be even here on 0.60, 0.70. Yes. So let's say, because you want to make sure you actually get it at 0.77 or something like that, and then after this sort of, okay, I was about to say something quite. Here we go. So after this sort of pattern, you could actually taking into consideration buying, because um, you get it from where it is now. Yes, from, let's say, from here, you get it like 6% cheaper. Yes, and it's good, it's safe, because okay, I got my double bottom here, and I'm sure it's going up. Yeah, and if it goes up, most likely it's going to break through this resistance level here. Yes. So if it breaks out and it goes above, then most likely it's going to find resistance here or even on the 100 EMA line. Yes. So it means that from this level, let's actually go 7.70. Yes, you could actually find 14%. Yes. Now, of course, we need to be a little bit careful. Yes, the prices could increase. You don't have to panic on when you do trading or when you buy something. You need to buy it, take into consideration everything. Yes, if you are right, if you are wrong, and if you are right, when to sell, and if you are wrong, when to sell. Because even if you are wrong, yes, you cannot hold forever. Yes. So anyway, something to keep in mind before we go. Something to keep in mind before we go is that we could actually, yes, go lower. Yeah, why not? Why not? Yeah. So you need to take into consideration that you may go lower. So what happens is that if you buy here, yes, place your stop loss somewhere. Place your stop loss somewhere. I would suggest anybody who buys now to place your stop loss below the major level of support, which is this line here. Yes. So what I play, what I will place actually my level of my um, stop loss is below 7, below 0.7. You need your stop loss. Yes. So if you bought here on 0.75, yes, you need to place your stop loss somewhere. If not, because if for some reason, yes, this level of support is not going to hold, then you are done. Yeah, you are done, because trust me, it's going a lot lower. Yeah, so this level of support is actually giving me strength, yes, because I know that I'm not going below that. But if that happens, yes, then we need to act accordingly. Yes. So this is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Later on, I'm gonna talk about the basics of trading, investing, a lot of that. So if you're interested, just stay here with me, and we're going to talk about it later.